What is a trading journal? And how to use one. Every action you take as a trader is documented in a trading journal, covering risk management, trading strategy assessment, psychology, and more. How to crypto monitoring price changes using charts is one way to stay updated on the market trends. However, technical or fundamental analysis and tracking other market metrics are not the only means of becoming a successful trader. For example, a disciplined approach that includes maintaining a trading journal would protect you from making emotional decisions concerning your financial investments. In this article, we will discuss the benefits of a trading journal and how to create and use it. What is a trading journal? A trading journal records your trades and their outcomes and gives a summary of your trading experience. However, it is not a brokerage account statement, as one can find the reasons behind opting for or avoiding a trading strategy. All successively executed trades are methodically planned, and a trading journal can be a record of the performance of each trading strategy. Regardless of how the market performs, you can adequately assess the potential of a particular trade using a trading journal. Moreover, you don't need to spend much to create a trading journal. Spreadsheets or Excel would suffice, and it would help you to become disciplined and follow consistent trading strategies. You should record trading entries in your journal if you can't always stick to your trading strategy. You can figure out how to avoid responding the same. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.